Hello everyone, my name is Isaac from the Innovation Consortium, and today I would like to share with you about drill or the drilling process. And briefly to start with, I would like to enlighten on what a drill is. Basically, to define what a drill is, it's a machine, or they are machines, different types of machines we use to ascertain or to create holes in workpieces with a rotary motion. So the basic definition is, it's a machine which provides a rotary motion and a clamping device or a gripping device which grips a drill bit to drill holes through metals or different materials. Briefly, I would like to explain about what a drill is. If you've heard of the term drilling or a drill is a machine we use in the workshop to achieve holes or to create holes through materials or workpieces. With me here on the table, we shall have a view of a drill bit, actually of a drill and a drill bit. So these two move hand in hand, a drill and a drill bit. So a drill is the machine and a drill bit is the tool we use to create the holes. So the two move hand in hand. This is a drilling machine, and this component is the tool bit or the drilling bit. To briefly talk about the different types of drilling machines, on the table, these components you're seeing here, they are drilling machines. But these ones, basically, we categorize them under the hand drilling machines. So the three you're seeing here, they are called hand drilling machines. Why? That is simply because we operate them manually or with the use of hands. So I hold it this way and drill through the workpiece. So it clamps or it grips the tool bit with the chuck you're seeing here. Once I switch on the switch, the chuck will have to rotate and I drill through a piece. So these three, they are called basically the hand drilling machines. In the background here, as you can see, there is this type of drilling machine and it's called the bench drilling machine. Why bench? It's because of this bench you're seeing here, or the table. The table is in a bench form. It also uses the same process. It's having a chuck and the power motor. Actually, it's like the motor which gives the drive to the spindle. Then the drill chuck rotates. So we ascertain the rotating motion to drill through workpieces. So this is called a bench drilling machine. The other types, we have the pillar type of drilling machine. We have the radio type of drilling machine. We have the horizontal drilling machine. But the basic or the basic working principle is more or less of the same, starting from the hand drill to the radio or the horizontal drilling machine. It's a rotary motion with a chuck or a chuck to adapt the tool bit or the drilling bit, so as we drill through the different materials. So it's the same principle basically. Briefly to explain how it works, how a drilling machine works, we shall start with the hand drilling machine. This one you're seeing here. As I had explained earlier on, it has the drilling machine adapted to the drill chuck and a switch. A switch gives the rotating motion, or it powers the machine to rotate. Once I press the switch, the chuck will rotate, as you can see. Once it rotates, even the tool bit is rotating, giving it a rotary motion. Then I can drill through different workpieces, as you can see. I have a piece of wood here. If I place the bit on the wooden piece, as it rotates, and I'm giving it a force, pressing it down, as I rotate and press, I will achieve a hole through this workpiece or the wooden piece with the help of the tool bit. So that is the basics how it works. It rotates the tool bit to create a hole through different materials or workpieces. Then to explain more, we shall experiment with a bench drill also. As I had explained earlier on, it's the same principle. It's a chuck rotating, or it's a motor rotating the spindle, then the spindle rotating the chuck rotating the tool bit drilling through the material we are having or through the workpiece we are having. We shall experiment that one physically and we see. The machine, it has a switch. It has a switch actually. Once I switch on, the spindle will rotate the tool bit and the chuck, as you can see. On and off, on and off. So that is the basic principle. It rotates the pulleys, transfer the drive to the spindle, and we can drill through certain objects. As I will experiment here and you see. So basically, we have achieved those holes with the help of a drilling machine. So I hope you understand what the drill or the drilling process is and how a drilling machine works. So the other types, they also perform the same function or the same process or the operation. We are just achieving a hole, a round hole, through a workpiece or any material you want. So, as I've explained, basically that's what a drill is, and that's how the processes are. The drilling process, the drilling bits, as we've seen, they are the ones which drill holes when held in the drilling machine. So roughly that's it. I remain Isaac from the Innovation Consortium. Thanks very much. You keep tuned in for our next episodes of How To. Thank you.